And if you live in Northwest Arkansas, you probably have driven by it 100 times. The property surrounding the historic bell tower on St. Joseph Catholic Church grounds is about to get a brand new look. 5 News anchor Darren Bobb shows us what's being planned.
How many times have you driven past the church property there on Highway 412 in Tontitown and glanced over to see the bell tower standing alone? It's been there for 125 years, built when the first 35 families settled in Tontitown. Now, church member Mary Wyatt Hebert says plans are in the works to tie it in with the current church.
Along the pathway tying the old to the new, there will be the Stations of the Cross, which is very much a spiritual connection for Catholics in particular. We will also incorporate a rosary garden, another form of prayer, meditation, and bringing us deeper to our faith as well within the area. We're having a custom-made crucifix in the plans that is not only representative of so much of what really our history is built on, but will also be a piece of art as well.
Church pastor Father Sammy says the project also means tying in the rich history of the church to the present.
When we are talking about this project, we are talking about, bringing that legacy to the future generations.
Right now, efforts to raise money for the project have allowed it to start, but
we are at a point where we can do the minimum. I'm confident that we have the funds to be able to do the minimum, but if we really want to see this project to the fullest and be able to incorporate all of the elements to their greatest level, it's going to take a little more.
Everybody is really excited about this project. They have been waiting for a long time, ever since the idea was brought forth. It's going to have a new look, and it's going to be amazing. We are looking forward for that.
In Tontitown, covering news where you live, I'm Darren Bobb, 5 News.
Wyatt Hebert says they are going to take a look at where fundraising stands next month before deciding when to start work. She says she hopes that sometime this summer.